Hi, in today's video I'm going to be working on this Elite Series 2 controller. The issue is that it's registering moves on the left thumbstick without being pressed. I'm just going to switch the computer just to show you how bad it is, and then I'm going to try and replace this whole thumbstick using this new one here. I've never worked on one of these before, so it'll be a good learning curve and should be interesting. Okay, so here I am on the computer. As you can see, nothing's pressed and the stick is registering that it's pushed forward. If I move it around, it goes back to center, but I'm pushing up now, and as you can see, there's a lag and it's really bad. So I'm going to disassemble it and I'll get back to you. Okay, so here's the controller fully reassembled, and it is working. When I push forward, it goes forward, back, and it's not registering any movement on the controller by itself. So the only issue I kind of came across was I had to work on it inside the case because I only had one thumbstick, and when it came to taking out these domes, they just would not. They were just turning, they wouldn't come out, so this ended up snapping off this side. So I had just left this one alone just in case, because this one was just turning as well. So I worked on it while I was inside, but wasn't too bad. It's fully working now anyway. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a thumbs up, and hopefully I see you in the next video. And like I said, it was the first time I worked on it, so it kind of helped me. It was a learning experience, and it was, just practice. But definitely next time I was working on it, I'd get 2 sticks and take the green motherboard out. It would make it a lot easier, to actually work on it, not inside the case. So yeah, that's it. Hopefully I see you next time. Thanks for watching.